Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money by just clicking through websites, guys. Yes guys, this is not a clickbait video, but just do be with me in this whole video, and please do not skip the video, so you won't be confused. So I'll be giving the links in the description, guys. Just go to my link in the description and you will just redirect to this page, subclicks.com. So make sure that you scroll down over here, and it also shows that earn 0.05 to 0.10 cents per click. And yeah, that's really cool, and minimum payout is $5, and you can get money through PayPal. So yeah, you just click here to join the network, and just click here and make sure that you register yourself over here. So after you register yourself, I'll just log in my case, because I have my account. So I'll just log in into my account. So after you log in into your account, it will be somewhat like this, and after you register, so it will be showing something like this: welcome to Subclicks. And make sure that you have Firefox or Google Edge installed in your in your computer in order to this Subclicks extension to work. So make sure that you click here and install the Mozilla Firefox browser, and after you install it, make sure you just register yourself there. And yeah, so after this, click on here, download the Subclicks browser extension, and after you click on this, just continue to installation and your add-on will install. In my case, I've just installed the add-on over here, so no need of me to just add on again and again. And make sure that you don't skip the video, you just listen to whatever I'm saying. And here, these are some instructions. Make sure that you click on this and just log in. Then when you click on this, there will be some websites coming here which you have to click. And just in some cases, when you click on the link, your Google will just open in your new tab. So whatever, when you click the link, it will be copied in your clipboard. So make sure to press paste or just press Ctrl+V, and just make sure after you click on search, there will be red highlighted on your Google after you search. So make sure that you click on that, only the red highlighted one, just like this, not the white ones normally. So after you click this, the timer will start over here. So make sure you follow the timer. It might be 50 seconds, 100 seconds, 120 seconds. So make sure you stay on the website for that many seconds, and automatically the tab will close and the click was accepted. This will come out, and then it will show in your earnings page over here. So I'll show you step by step. No need to worry, guys. So in my case, I'll just open the new tab and I'll just log in over here. So after you log in, this page will come out, guys, and as you can see, guys, one order is available for me over here. And I'll just click on the link. Make sure you just click on the link, and sometimes what I showed in the last time, it happens, but sometimes when you click on the link, directly the page comes out, so which is good sometimes. And as you can see at the right side, there is showing 117, 116, and it is just going down. So that is the number of seconds which you have to wait on this website, and after this, automatically you will get paid. This tab will close automatically, and this tab will just show you that your click was accepted. And after that, I'll just show you my earnings, that this actually pays. I had 0.10 cents in my account right now in this by this website. And let's see if 0.05 cents are being sent on my account or not. And you can just minimize if you want. That can be much better if you want, but do not close the tab, guys. If you close the tab, then you won't be get paid on that day, so you have to wait the next day then. But every 24 hours there is guaranteed one click at least. And if you are in other countries like Australia, US, you also might get many clicks per day. So yeah, that will be really very good. And automatically, everything is automatic, as you can see. And after this timer is over, your money will be showed. So I'll just wait for these seconds, so I could show you the proof that this website works. And also, if you want the payment proof, you can search for YouTube for the payment proof, because many people use this website, and it is one of the trusted websites actually. So you can actually make money on this, actually earn PayPal money, so which is actually very great. And sitting at home idle, you can just earn money. And I'll just show you all the calculations and all. Just do not skip the video, guys, and I'll give the instructions one by one. So as you can see, only 15 seconds are left, and you just cannot change the tabs. You'll automatically just redirect to this tab. So yeah, and as you can see, the timer is going to end very soon, so let's wait. And as you can see, guys, my click was accepted over here, and it will tell me to wait 25 seconds, but there won't be any links anymore now. It will be just available in the next 24 hours, but it can be available according to the orders which they get. So let me show you, let me tell you this now, the instructions over here. Make sure, guys, that you do not just create spam accounts on this, cause that system will detect you and they will just ban you. And after you get banned, whatever you have even earned in the past, that also you cannot recover. So make a note in your mind. And also, you cannot use any proxy or VPN, or the system will literally detect that and you will be banned. So whatever you try to do any mishap, they'll just try to ban you. So please do not just do something which can just don't do any mishap, guys. Just use this loyally, and you will just earn by just clicking the website, guys. So it is really very good way to earn money, guys. And also, I'll be showing my my earnings over here, as you can see. And as you can see, it was 2 clicks, so today I've done 1, so it is 3 clicks now, and each click price is 0.05 cents. You can also earn for some clicks 0.10 cents, so make a note of that. And also, I have a total of 0.15 cents right now, just for 3 days. And let me show you in my calculator, guys, that as I'm from India, if it is 0.05, and for example, if I'm using subclicks for like 4 months, so which will be 120 days, approximately 30 days if you calculate. And if I click enter, it literally gives me $6. And if I go to Google over here, and if I just click here, $6 in rupees, it is like literally $450, 53 Indian rupees per $6. Means every 3 months I'm earning 453 Indian rupees. So which is really crazy and really good, just clicking at one place. So you can at least go to McDonald's, or just hang out in Domino's and eat pizza and get a diarrhea. So that's how you can just earn money through subclicks. And yeah, and also there is an referral link also, where if you refer people, you can earn 10 cents if that particular person just earns $1. So you can refer your friends, family, or any strangers if you want. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and happy earning, guys. And make sure to keep my instructions in mind, so you could not get banned on this website. And it's a really good way to earn money, guys. So I'll take my leave now, guys. If you have any questions, guys, please do leave that down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I don't want to make this video very lengthy. So I'm AustinEndO here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, everybody.